Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today I am going to show you on how to change Roblox keybinds on PC or laptop. So first you just have to open your web browser and then go to roblox.com and then log into your account. Now after that, join a game or play a game and then click on the escape button in your keyboard and you will be able to see this settings. Now, when you go to settings, you'd be able to see your shift lock switch, camera mode, movement sensitivity, your camera sensitivity. So you will be able to change the settings here. And when you go to the help option at the top of your screen beside the report and record, okay, let's just finish setting up everything here. Okay, let's go to help. We would be able to see our character movement, accessories, our camera movement, and of course the menu items. And unfortunately, we cannot change this setting since it's fixed. So all we have to do is memorize everything here to play Roblox accordingly. So if you want to change anything, just go to the settings area and you can change anything that is in here, including the full screen mode, the camera settings, and the language as well. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.